Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom? Well, buckle up, friend, because we're about to blow your mind with a financial magic trick that'll make your wallet do the cha-cha slide. The power of $50, the spark that ignites financial freedom. It all starts with a humble $50 bill. You might think it's just a few lunches or a decent dinner, but trust us, it's the spark that can ignite a financial fire. The question is, how do you turn that $50 into $500? The secret formula, a three-part plan to financial success is the thing. It's not rocket science, but it does require some elbow grease, creativity, and a dash of risk-taking. We're talking about investing, side hustling, and making smart financial decisions. Let's break it down into three parts. Part one, invest wisely. Investing your $50 wisely is crucial to turning it into $500. Here's some options. High-yield savings account. Open a high-yield savings account that earns a higher interest rate than your traditional savings account. This is a low-risk option that's perfect for beginners. Micro-investing apps. Invest in micro-investing apps that allow you to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio. Index funds. Invest in index funds that track the stock market. This is a long-term investment strategy that can provide steady returns. Part two, side hustle. A side hustle is a great way to earn extra money and turn your $50 into $500. Here are some ideas. Freelance writing. Offer your writing services to clients on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Selling products online. Sell unwanted items or products online through platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. Crafting. Sell handmade crafts on platforms like Etsy or at local markets. Part three, sell smart. Selling smart is crucial to turning your $50 into $500. Here are some tips. Identify your skills, and offer services that you're good at. Price your products or services competitively too. Attract customers. Market your products or services effectively to reach a wider audience. The compound effect, how your money can grow exponentially as your $50 grows. So does the potential for exponential growth. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining speed and size. Before you know it, that $50 can turn $500. Real life examples how people have turned $50 into $500. Me, Jane, who turned her $50 into $500 by investing $50 in a stock market index fund. Selling handmade crafts online, $100. Freelance writing, $200. In just a few months, Jane's $50 turned into $500. Me, John, who turned his $50 into $500 by investing $50 in a high-yield savings account. Selling unwanted items online, $150. Offering freelance services, $300. In just a few months, John's $50 turned into $500. The takeaway, turning $50 into $500 is possible. Turning $50 into $500 requires patience, persistence, and smart financial decisions. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a proven formula for financial growth. By following the three-part plan outlined above, you can turn your $50 into $500 and start building wealth. So are you ready to turn your $50 into $500? Let's get started.